Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to do another sneaker unboxing. So this was sent over by a good friend of mine who's actually working on the shelves here in the studio. So in just a few weeks time, this studio will transform into Studio 2.0, or is it 3.0 already, with more shelves, more lighting, a much more sophisticated look, and with all the thanks to this guy who sent this box over for me to unbox and share with you. Shout out to Mr. Freddy. You love working with you, man. And for today's vlog, we're going to unbox this. Check out this rare Ultra Boost in a special box, in this carton box. And yeah, let's just share the unboxing together. Let's go. As usual, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are doing a bunch of giveaways, including true wireless earphones and a smartphone from Realme. So all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, click the links down below, and well, yeah, watch them. Good luck. Now, if you ask me what was the best Ultra Boost of last year, I would probably say the Ultra Boost 20 in terms of comfort. The Ultra Boost 19 Woodwood and Universal works in terms of design, but if you just want hype, and if you just want like buzz, this is the Ultra Boost that was, well, even awarded by ComplexCon as part of their top 10 sneakers of the year. This is the collaboration between Nice Kicks and Adidas. I think it's like the Woodstock variation or model of the sneaker. As you can see, it has the tie-dye, I don't know, like color at the top, translucent cage, you have that boost midsole, you have that brown outsole, and it just looked friggin' amazing. Now, it's not just this sneaker that they actually came out with. There was another version, one that had black boost, and that's the sneaker that should be in this box today. This is the sneaker. It comes in a special hard box that looks like a carrying case, so you can actually use it as a briefcase if you want to for work, or if you want to put, like, you don't know, a big lunch inside of it. So you have that tie-dye color at the front, you have Nice Kicks printed, you have the details of the shoe here along the side. It says over here, Ultra Boost Nice Kicks Black, $199 SRP in size 12. And just like your lunchbox, you pop this open to be able to check out what's inside. And this, ba-bam, is what the sneakers look like. Now, as much as I can tell, the color of the print of the upper is practically the same. So it is the same shades of violet and red and orange, which transitions to yellow and blue and purple, and then red and orange at the back. So upper for both sneakers, of the one with the white boost and the one with the black boost is similar. The cage is translucent white on the original pair that I have here. The cage on the black one is translucent. The laces on this one are black. The laces here are white. The tongue decoration over here, or the tongue tab is here, is white with the red. This one is black and red. The lining inside of the sneaker, this one with the original is white. The lining here is black. And of course, the biggest difference is if you take a look at the boost material, this one is white, this one is black. Both sneakers come with the extra red laces, so if you want it to attract even more attention, as if it's not going to get attention enough with the tie-dye upper, you can swap out the red to get that effect. The black one also has extra white laces, so you have black, red, and white. So which of the two do you guys prefer? Let me know down below in the comment section. Personally, I'm kind of still leaning towards this particular model, this variant, but hey, this one looks kick-ass, so there's nothing wrong with having both. But if I were to just pick one, I'd probably go with this one because it's just cleaner with the white boost. My only issue with the white boost is that it gets dirty over time, yellows over time, so you'll have to take care of it either by whitening it or by regularly wiping it down. Now, I'm pretty sure that you guys love this sneaker already, but here's a surprise. There's a second sneaker inside the Freddy U mystery box, so we will be checking that out in a bit. But before that, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Of course, you know I'm talking about Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a men's accessory brand based out of Australia. But here's the great news. They also have products for women and females. Women, females. Yeah, that's the same thing. So if you are looking for a gift for that special someone in your life, you can actually buy them something. And to help you guys out, let me just share that they actually have a massive sale right now wherein you can get 20% store-wide plus free shipping if you use our special link down below. If you want an additional 10% off your entire order, just use the code HOLIDAY19. Now the products are selling out, so you might want to buy the ones that appeal to you the most as soon as possible. I would really recommend their beaded bracelets. This has been a fixture on my wrist. Everybody who knows me will always see me wearing Rose Gold and Black beaded bracelets. So check them out. Rose Gold and Black, the link to their website can be found down below. Don't forget the code HOLIDAY19. The second sneaker that we have here is from New Balance. And as you can see, it is USA made. And the official name is MR993BK. So this is the New Balance 993 silhouette, which is a running sneaker. Now, I have no idea what the shoe is. I have no idea what collaboration sneaker this is, or if it is even a collaboration, because the only sneaker that I knew that would be sent over for this unboxing would be this Nice Kicks Adidas Ultra Boost in black. So this will be a surprise for me and you. So let's pop the box together. Whoa, whoa. Ba-bam! That is crazy. What? Seriously? Take a look at that shoe, guys. That is funky AF. What? So it is, well, it says over here trail. So it is obviously a trail running sneaker. You have that mega thick foam midsole over here. And you have that, extremely thick outsole as well. Probably to help you with traction and durability. And that monstrous upper that you have, man. So you have this pink leather edge, you have orange, you have red leather here at the back of the heel, sort of mixture of mesh and some sort of like neoprene straps all over with Velcro, maybe to help with foot containment. And it says here at the tongue tab, Test Run, and it screams along the side as well, Trail, New Balance, Trail, New Balance. This is an incredibly funky shoe, and I have no idea what's it called, and I have no idea the story behind this. All I know is that it looks ridiculously insane. Oh wait, I think here's the story. So apparently this is made with surplus materials. It is made from 100% recycled content, which is the closure webbing, internal materials. Even the outsole is made from, I can't read this properly, 30% recycled content. So it's one of those shoes that champion the environment and championing upcycling and recycling. So that's a nice story behind that shoe. So anyway, I'm pretty sure this isn't available in the Philippines. So if you probably want one, you might want to check out StockX or other international websites that sell New Balance made in the USA sneakers. But wow, this is crazy. If you thought Nice Kicks was loud, I mean, what about this, right? So yeah, shout out to Freddy Yu again for sending over both sneakers for me to unbox and to share with you guys. After we install the shelves here in the studio, I'll be doing another video. Probably it will be called the Studio 3.0 Tour, and then I'll show you guys Freddy's work with the cabinet specifically made to display toys and sneakers. So if you are thinking of, I don't know, remodeling your house to show off your shoes and your toys, or to display them properly, because they are, you know, a big investment, you might want to check him out. I'll put the link down below to his Instagram account, so if you want to connect with him and find out what his company is all about, you can do that. And with that said, I hope you all enjoyed our video for today. As usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to join our Facebook community. The links to all of those can be found down below. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.